November 17th. Market's about to open in 4 minutes, so just do my analysis here. Oh snap. Alright, we had 8:30 news today, and Trump speaks at 6 p.m. So that's later. Every other news is later. Alright, I'm leaning more bearish. Yeah, I'm leaning more bearish right now. This sleep this high, just move lower, but I definitely want to see how price reacts to this level down here. We do have London high here. Hello, hello. Okay, bet. There's not much volatility here within the last hour. Oh yeah, no, I don't think we're not gonna get to London high. At least not right now. We're probably gonna get to at least this hourly. It's about 100 points. So if we can get a continuation to there, that would be pretty fire. Alright, we're coming off this 5 minute here. Not a fan of this trading leg here. Took this high out already. So we do have SMT there. God, I'm sniffling every morning, bro. Gotta eat a banana. Pause. So there was this 30-second down here. I don't know. Just not a fan of longing. Really. That was a good long though. Alright, draws did get hit for the highs. Being the unfilled gaps. We just pumped 200 points in 8 minutes. Jeez. That is crazy. This whole range right here. Today might not be a good day. Honestly, I'm gonna stop this recording and play back if anything interesting happens. We'll see. Right now, I'm just looking. I'm waiting for more structure. I want to see what Price wants to do. We tapped into this 15-minute. We tapped into this hourly down here with this 5-minute right here, so we get the reaction up. If we're gonna get a reaction down, we'll see. But if not, and we're gonna continue higher, let's see if we create a 5-minute for value gap. We got 50 seconds, and then until this closes, if we create a 5-minute here, then okay, I'll target you know, these 15-minute unfilled gaps, the equal highs, and whatnot. Be this right here. Let's see what Price wants to do. We'll see, we'll see. It's also hourly unfilled gap. Okay. See if Price can create a 5-minute fair value gap. Alright. Price did create a 5-minute fair value gap here, but we're still continuing to pump. If we can move sideways a little bit, maybe until 10, and then we get a manipulation lower, that'd be pretty fire. If we get something like this, and then like this, then I'll take a long, but we'll see if Price continues to pump. Oh, we got 10 a.m. right here. That's some really bullish price action. Trying to look for. Let's see. Try this one. Oh hell no. Alright, kilos got hit for me. 15-minute intermediate term high.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Hello, hello. All right, I'm doing a trade recap right now because my audio didn't get picked up in the that live trading, but yeah, I'll get into it. On NQ, so not in the micro chart, we did inverse this 5 minute. I was saying, um, I'm just gonna go over the entire day again. A little trade recap. So we came off this 5 minute for value gap, and then came off this intermediate term low. I saw that there was a, um, there was kind of a 30-second down here, but it was a little too early. And then this candle just straight up Drake candle through all these gaps. So I didn't really take anything here. I'd say it was a solid trade, 932 this, but I didn't want to trade it. And then we tap into this hourly here. No, we don't tap into hourly. We tap into the 15 minute, but I was still bullish because we were inversing this hourly here, so I was still bullish until this hourly fair value gap and the 15 minute, which is also 15 minute fair value gap, intermediate term high here, and then a 5 minute intermediate term high. So we displaced higher, and we created SMT here, and I was saying in the video that I want to see how price reacts here. I want to see if we're gonna continue pumping or we're just gonna, give a good reaction to go lower, right? Because we already pumped 260 points. Damn, I'm actually bro, my audio keeps cutting out, bro. It's actually so annoying. So I was waiting for this. I didn't really want to see this 5 minute get inverse. I was actually waiting for price to take out the 5 minute intermediate term high to then move lower. But we ended up inversing this 5 minute. Now, since the 5 minute did get inversed, and we had SMT, and we have these wicks from these this hourly gap, 15 minute gap, 15 minute intermediate term high. I honestly was not expecting price to come back up just to take out a 5 minute intermediate term high when we're already rejecting a high time frame key level. So once we got that 5 minute inverse, I went in about low size, but then I added more to my position a little bit lower when I saw the volatility. And then my TP was the 15 minute, but once I saw the volatility, I went break even at the. No, I didn't even go break even. I just moved my TP to the 5 minute for value gap, and it just completely smashed it in one candle. Like, yeah, literally as soon as, yeah, this it was this candle right here, it just completely went through it. But yeah, we had 10 a.m. open here. I wasn't expecting 10 a.m. open high here because we already manipulated, right? So 10 a.m. doesn't really have a need to manipulate in this moment. But that's the trade recap for today. All right, later, guys.